Let's go for a question here.
Okay, we're going to go right to the questions segment. A delicious question. What is your favorite snack in the winter, summer, spring, fall? I didn't know I'm supposed to have a different snack in those.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
I
have a
guess
mood,
ice cream is a summer one.
Oh yeah.
You don't do ice cream in. I guess you could have like an iced coffee as well. You would never have. That's not a snack though, is it?
I would say so.
Oh yeah. You can get a fancy coffee. That counts as a snack. Oh man, you know what's weird? When I think of snack, for some reason I only think of like crunchy like chips, and I don't really think of. I know what yours is. What do I snack on? Barrow. Oh, Daryl. You're talking about a protein bar? See, I feel like I don't even know if that counts as a snack. Snack to me has to be more fun. It can't have any nutrition.
Something.
I don't think a snack can have any nutrition
guilty,
in it. I don't think that counts. Like, if you want to come in here in the comments and go, I like to chomp on celery sticks. It's my favorite snack. No! Get out of here. It has to be unhealthy. No, it has to be unhealthy. Don't talk to me about it. That's food. Carrots are food, man. Just because you're snacking doesn't make it a snack. Stop it. It's got to be unhealthy. So I'm going to take, for chips, forget the spring, summer, fall. Okay. Please.
Then what's your go-to?
But for chips, it's like, it's just it's a straight up chip. It's like a Miss Vicky's original salt. That's it. Let's not get crazy out here. It's fine. Just salty chip every so often. That's what we're going to do for a snack. All right. Then on the sweet side, I do like ice cream. I have been known to get myself a Blizzard from Dairy Queen. They have a Blizzard right now. It's an O. Henry peanut butter limited time Blizzard. Now, I just get the mini size. I don't need a lot of it. You have it right there. It was the Blizzard of the month last month. You have O. Henry. You have Reese's peanut butter blended. You have vanilla soft serve Dairy Queen ice cream. All right. Now, I've been known to get one of these here and there. I've been known. You understand? The people at Dairy Queen, they know me. And they flip it upside down.
Yep.
And then I know what I'm in for as well.
Okay.
So
good for you.
There's a couple of snacks. That's a summer one. I'll take the chips in the winter. The rest of it, you're getting too crazy. But just remember, a snack should be unhealthy. Otherwise, you're just eating. There it is.